relatively simple to start with. Let's just make sure these are clean for mating. So they go like that. Yeah, cool, right. Let's get some free bond on there. I need to lay the crank into its position. So I've checked the crank over, all the bearings are they're not horrific. They've got a bit of life left in them. Should go again for at least a little bit. Money's tight, so none of them are sort of sounding like they're really bad, so I did used to have a stand for these engines. Sold it thinking that I wouldn't be doing any more. Right. Of course. We want to play silly buggers. It's going to go there, isn't it? I will go through and torque these. They'll be done with a spanner. Right, I was right. Long ones go on this rear cylinder. Right. Gonna use the RGV manual because that's what I've got, and it'll be exactly the same. Yeah, that's turning nicely. Yeah, that turns. All feels smooth. Lovely. Right, I've got some brand new bearings from Suzuki because one, they're obtainable, and two, I can get them cheap. I think they were like genuine Suzuki, £7. I'm reusing the pistons because they're okay. I've got new Like I said, I've got new bearings and new clips, because you don't really want to reuse a clip once you've had it out. Let me go get those bearings. Right, just putting the circlip in. I've done one piston, just need to do the other one. Okay, rim. Right, let's get these rings aligned. That's that one. Right, just gonna get a base gasket on, and then we get this piston on. Piston, cylinder. I have put gasket, not gasket sealant as such, but the what's it called? The free bond, because it just helps making sure you got a good tight seal, especially since the other day when my RGV base gasket decided to start leaking. After, I don't know, 6 or 7 years. Right, piston rings where they need to be. She's on. Right, we just need some nuts. Mark my words, this to be the one that bloody leaks. Right, reed cage. That one. Right. Oh, what I might do is just put a spark plug in the top here. Got a new spark plug. Just going to put it in there loosely for the moment. Need to check the gap, etc. Right, we need to get this other cylinder on. Is it ready? No. Still a little bit grubby. Okay, right. Base gasket. Right, after much fitting, we've got that in. So, washer. I should have a new one. I don't have one to hand. I'm going to leave it there for the moment because I've got new clutch plates and I want to soak them in oil first. So we leave it to soak for a day and then we get that side put back together.